A Day in the Life by Chee. At 8 a.m., I carry the Olympic torch. Yep, that's me. At 10 a.m., I ride around the world on Dino. Isn't he cute? Well, I think so. At 12 p.m., I work as a hot dog street vendor. With this recession, I have to earn my living any way I can. At 2 p.m., I work as a demolitionist for the developers. I'm sorry, people of Pisa. I just need to earn a living, and selling hot dogs just doesn't cut it. At 4 p.m., the weight of the world is on my shoulders. And with so many bad things in this world, it's not a light weight. At 6 p.m., I recreate Da Vinci's model of perfection of the human body. And apparently I need some length added to my appendages. Just kidding. That was a parody of my life. My real and probably very boring normal life. Wake up time, 5:30 a.m. Chowing down on some food before leaving for the bus. Catching some much-needed shut-eye on the M. Being turned into an icicle while waiting for the 23. Frigid air makes things numb, my nose being one of them. My first glimpse of Lowell, 5 days a week. Hallways seem like a different place in the morning. The place where I finish homework before classes start. Playing with Legos? Nope, it's just chem class. A lab worksheet for chemistry class? Man, we have to do ratio about Legos after playing with them? The office. A place to get my creative energy out for the day. In other words, chill. Waiting impatiently for the cable car so I can go to work. My extended family. I mean, really extended. My co-buddies. Home. Well, my parents' store, so close enough. Another picture. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Good night and good luck.